Long before, a very long before, thousands and thousands of years back, most of the earth was covered with water. The land was there, here and there, scattered in patches, but it was all bald. No trees, no plants, no creepers, no flowers, no fruit, no life form whatsoever. It was a dead land. Life was there only in water. So, in a way, our origins go deep into the water. We were all aquatic creatures once, but then something happened. The dead land came to life. Plants started appearing, multicellular animal species started developing. It happened in the Cambrian period, 500 million years ago. Life must have been dull in water. At least some of our earliest ancestors must have felt so. They wanted some adventure. Meanwhile, beautiful things were happening on the land. It was getting greener as plants started to grow on the land. Let us explore what is up there. It was clear some of the earliest ancestors were fed up in their watery existence. They kept trying to get onto the land, but it was not easy. It took again thousands of years for them to make the leap from water to land. Finally, some 368 million years ago, Eglinopeton succeeded in reaching the land, soon to be followed by many others. When they hatched from their eggs, they were very fish-like with gills and fins. Most wonderfully, they grew lungs to breathe on land and limbs to walk around when they became adults. In effect, their bodies went through metamorphosis. Whoever said you cannot have the best of both the worlds must be wrong. Those which dare to move out of water proves this. No wonder they are called amphibians, meaning two live on water and other on land. The amphibian species are small vertebrates that include frog, toads, etc. They needed water or moist environments to survive. Most amphibians have two pair of limbs and their body is divisible into head and trunk while some may have tails. Amphibians have special skin glands that produce useful proteins. Some transport water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide in and out of the animal, while others fight bacteria or fungal infections. The most toxic amphibians are brightly colored, and naturally, the predators will think twice before attacking. Moist skin, presence of eyelids, three-chambered heart, separate sexes, and external fertilization are other special features of these creatures. Oviparous by nature, they have alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts that open into cloaca. Where were the mammals during this period? The answer is nowhere. They came several thousand years later. To be precise, they first appeared on Earth 178 million years ago and lived amid dinosaurs, which eventually got wiped out some 66 million years ago. Mammals are special because they have glands that give milk, fur, or hair. Unlike amphibians, they are warm-blooded and live in all sorts of environments like ocean, underground, or on land. Some mammals can also fly. Most mammals give birth to their young ones.
But some mammals like platypus and long-nosed anteater lay eggs. They are called marsupials. With two pairs of limbs, they can walk, run, climb, burrow, swim, or fly. They have external ears or pinnae, different types of teeth, and four-chambered heart.
In mammals, some sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal and respiration is by lungs. The largest mammal is blue whale. It lives in the ocean. It can grow over 80 feet long. The largest mammal on the land is elephant, while the smallest mammal is bumblebee bat, which is not longer than 1.2 inches.
Amphibians, mammals, reptiles, or birds, they all evolved from fish. The first amphibians evolved from a lobe finned fish. But, unlike others, mammals are very smart and intelligent. This is because they have unique brains. Humans are the most intelligent among mammals.
In a way, this human intelligence perhaps is the worst curse of this world. The human arrogance and its irresponsible behavior is turning the earth into a living hell for lesser beings. Many amphibian and mammal species are either extinct or are on the verge of extinction while some are in endangered category.
Humans are making Earth our only home, an unsustainable place to live in. He destroys forests, pollutes water bodies, hunts down the animals on land, overfishes the oceans, and releases toxic gases into the atmosphere. The result is a disastrous climatic change. Climate change affects amphibians very badly. The International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) says 33 amphibian species, including 3 in the wild, are already extinct, while 89 other species may possibly have gone extinct. India has 472 species of known amphibians, and 50% of them are endemic. What makes amphibians so sensitive? Being cold blooded animals, they have special skin and they require specific living conditions. Too much of sun can damage their cells, and too much of wind can dry their skins and dehydrate them. As a result, they are the first one to die. They die when their habitat gets disturbed, and they die when we contaminate the water bodies with chemicals like weed killers. Today, humans are building bridges overseas, but he has completely dismantled one particular bridge, the bridge that helped his migration to land. Let us show some gratitude.
I would like to express my special thanks to my teachers as well as our principal who gave me the opportunity to do this project. It helped me in doing a lot of research and I got to know about many things. This project wouldn't have been successful without the support and guidance of my teachers, parents, and friends. I would like to thank my team members who were gathering information from various sources, analyzing data, and guiding me from time to time despite their schedules. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I deem it as a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable program. Let me first start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank our Principal Vanaja Harikumar for giving us the opportunity to present our art integrated project and for her liberal support for this program. And I would like to thank Susan Miss, who, despite her busy schedule, has found time to help and guide us. I also express my heartfelt thanks to all my friends for their sincerity and interest for making this presentation wonderful. Finally, I leave with this inspiration quote by Martin Luther King. An individual has not started living until he rises above the confines of his individualistic concerns to the broader concerns of all humanity. Thank you.